Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in EPFO employee account and how you can do this. It's very easy. First of all, just go to Google here and write here EPFO employee login and just hit the enter bar. And first of all, you will get this option here, Employee Provident Fund Organization, which is basically the full form of EPFO. Now here you can just click on any one of them. So let's say I will just click here, EPFO for employee, right? After that, guys, you have to click on services. If you're, by the way, opening this website in your phone, make sure you just open it in a desktop version. So here in the services, you have to go for employees, right? The first one is for the employers and the second one is for employees. Make sure you click on the second one. Okay, now here you will get a lot of option here in the services section. Let me zoom out for you. And here, for example, that you want to view your member passbook or you want to go for any other services, right? So I will just click here. In all the services it will ask you the same thing, so no worry. And here if I just click here, it will redirect to my new page. And here this is basically a sign in option for the EPF passbook and claim status. If I just go and click on any other, and here for example this is for the claim status, and of course you have to click here to get redirect to the passbook application if you have filed. So same way you will just land it here. Now here it will ask your UAN number and here in the password. So if you don't have your UAN number and the password, so basically UAN number is a 12-digit code which is given by your employer. So wherever you are working and they have gave you the access for the employee, and basically you are working for the government, you will get a UAN number and you will receive it from the employer who gave you the job from your company. And you can just paste the UAN number here and the password, and this is captcha. So you have to type the exactly the whatever here it's written, for example 3H6B and 5, right? And just click on sign in, and then you will be into the Employee Provident Fund Organization, basically EPFO. I really hope you found this video very useful and simple. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.